Hello everyone, this is group 2 from section 9. For our DIY group project, we have made an instant water heater. The heater works on the principle of electric heating. We have used a 2000 watt electric submersion coil. In this model, the user can select the desired temperature from the range 30 to 55 degrees Celsius as per his requirement, which will be achieved in 3 to 5 seconds. To control the temperature, we regulate the voltage across the coil. To obtain the given temperature range, the voltage must be varied from 96 to 220 volt.
This is the circuit used in our project. To input the desired temperature, we use two push buttons. This is the +5 one and the other -5. We have grounded the two push buttons to prevent error generated due to static charge present on our fingers. To measure the output water temperature, use a special waterproof temperature sensor DS18B220. To display the desired and the output temperature, we have used a 16:2 LCD and its contrast is controlled by a 10K ohm potentiometer. We have also used a 9G micro servo to rotate the 2000 watt voltage regulator, which regulates the voltage across the coil.
Let's take a look at the hardware used in the project. Since this model involves hot water plumbing, we have used CPVC pipes, which stand for chlorinated polyvinyl chloride pipes, which can withstand a maximum temperature of 93 degrees Celsius. This is a half-inch inlet pipe which has been connected to a 2.5-inch pipe using a system of reducers which convert from half to 1, then 1 to 2.5 inch. It is then connected to a Len joint which is further connected to a T-joint. The coil lies in this section. The connections of the coil are drilled through an end cap. Using the same system of reducers that we used earlier, the half-inch outlet pipe has been connected to the T-joint. The temperature sensor lies within this region, which is then further connected to the outlet tab. Now, for waterproofing and sealing the pipe joints, CPVC solvent has been applied, which is the yellow liquid that you can see. Furthermore, M-Seal has been used to seal the drilled holes of temperature sensor and the coil connections. And lastly, Teflon tapes have been used to waterproof the threaded joints.
This is the working video of a project. For the current values in the code, this project works best if the input temperature range of water is between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius and for a specific rate and outflow of water. As we have insulated the connections of the coil to make it shock proof, so you can see it is perfectly safe to touch the water. As you can see, we can input the desired temperature using the push buttons and the output temperature is achieved in 3 to 4 seconds as shown below.